Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain can you move Woocommerce transactional emails to Klaviyo. So let's get started. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu go to Plugins and then click on Add New. A new page will appear. From here navigate to the search bar and type Klaviyo Woocommerce integration. Install and activate the plugin. Next, go to Woocommerce Settings Integration and connect your Klaviyo account using your public and private API keys. You can find these keys inside your Klaviyo account under Account Settings API keys. Once connected, Klaviyo will automatically sync your Woocommerce data, including customers, orders, and events. Now log in to your Klaviyo dashboard. From here, go to Flows and create email flows that will replace your Woocommerce transactional emails like order confirmation, shipping updates, and password reset. Make sure to set triggers such as placed order or fulfilled order so the right email is sent at the right time. After setting up, disable the default Woocommerce emails by going to Woocommerce Settings Emails and turning them off. Finally, test everything by placing a demo order in your store and confirming the email is delivered via Klaviyo. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.